When you open it, the product looks like this. You can directly cheer up there. That air pump can pump air on one side. One side can pump. Now we're pumping air. Then if you put it in this hole, it's just pumping. This is air extraction. Well, if you receive the product, your air pump is pumping. Then you can lay it flat like this. Then 4 people stand, 4 corners on one side. Then you can cheer up. 4 people stand at the corner, 1 corner on each side, otherwise it will fall off. Need to block the front a little bit with legs. It won't run, it's not going to rot down there. Because this material can't rub on the floor. It will wear out easily. Two people from the back come to the front. That's already supported. Sometimes you need to help. Well, look, this is when we pack. It's flat when you open it. Then this is how we packed it. In fact, the packaging method of the two products is the same. It's the same way to pump. When we pack, we order a layer of material for protection. This is the repair bag rope. The repair kits are all here. The rope is for pieces of 12 meters.